Namaste and welcome to Holistic WebHealth, your spiritual gateway to integrative well-being. I'm Dr. Subrata Halder, holistic psychotherapist, spiritual healer, and your guide to uncovering the root causes of disease, not just its symptoms. Today, we're diving deep into a recent and shocking revelation from global nutritional research. Could regular chicken consumption increase your risk of death from gastrointestinal cancers? Let's explore the evidence, the science, and the spiritual insights behind it. A comprehensive epidemiological study published in recent years by global health bodies, including the National Cancer Institute and British Journal of Cancer, tracked over 475,000 people for more than a decade. One of the key findings? Individuals who consumed chicken regularly, especially processed or industrially farmed chicken, had a statistically higher risk of gastrointestinal, GI cancers, particularly colon, rectal, and pancreatic cancers. Key point: the risk wasn't about red meat alone anymore. Poultry, previously seen as the healthier option, was under the microscope. Let's understand what's behind this risk. 1. Arsenic and antibiotics. Commercial chickens are often fed arsenical drugs and high-dose antibiotics to promote growth and prevent infections. These toxins accumulate in the liver and muscle. 2. Heterocyclic amines, HCAs. When chicken is grilled, fried, or cooked at high temperatures, carcinogenic compounds called HCAs are formed, directly linked with colon and stomach cancers. 3. Gut flora. Disruption. Excess animal protein, especially when poorly digested, fosters pathogenic bacteria in the gut and disturbs the microbiome, leading to inflammation and mutation-prone tissues. 4. Hormonal imbalance. Poultry injected with hormones can indirectly affect your estrogen balance, potentially increasing risks of reproductive and GI malignancies, especially in women. From a Vedic and yogic perspective, the regular consumption of chicken, especially one that's slaughtered violently or reared in cruelty, carries Tamasic energy. Tamasic foods lower our vibrational frequency, increasing lethargy, fear, aggression, and digestive toxins, AMA. Over time, this AMA can localize in the colon and liver, forming the energetic blueprint for disease manifestation. In Ayurveda, such food disrupts the Agni, digestive fire, weakens Ojas, immunity, and imbalances Pitta dosha, which is already responsible for digestion and metabolism. An aggravated Pitta can lead to ulceration, inflammation, and even malignancy. So, what's the alternative? Choose a more plant-forward, Sattvic diet. Include mung beans, lentils, and organic tofu for protein. Green leafy vegetables, turmeric, and amla to reduce inflammation. Triphala to cleanse the colon. Ashwagandha for building cellular immunity. If you still consume animal products, follow these guidelines. Choose organic, free-range poultry, only occasionally. Prefer boiled or lightly sautéed preparations. Avoid grilling or frying. Always bless your food before eating to purify subtle energies. Food is not just nutrition, it is vibration. If your food is dead, chemically polluted, or energetically violent, it can never support a life of clarity, peace, or longevity. Gastrointestinal cancers may begin in the colon, but they're rooted in our choices, karma, and consciousness. Through spiritual healing, detox therapy, and Ayurvedic nutrition, I help clients around the world reclaim their gut, their health, and their purpose. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe, like, and share this with someone who still believes chicken is the safest meat. Let's awaken the healer within.